Is 100 million Shiba Inu coins, is that still enough to get to your spot in terms of financial freedom? Check this out here. $1,000 would get you about 100 million Shiba, and the value is $1,000, 4 zeros. Market cap looks just like this. I got the information looking for CoinMarketCap, and I looked at the market cap calculator to get the information here. Now, a lot of people has at least 100 million Shiba or even 50 million. Let's see if this is enough towards your goal. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, Shiba's still at an undervalued price. There's a lot of good things going to be coming out from this in the future. And Shiba Inu is still one of those projects you still need to keep your eye on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, $1,000 invested in Shiba will get you around that much. Not exactly, but pretty close. The value is about this, 4 zeros, market cap estimation in the billions still, and your Shiba profit is $32.40. However, the next pricing angle in terms of 1 zero being off the board, give you 3 zeros and a 1 zero, you already got a profit of $10,324. So you already got a profit already, okay? So if I go, let me go ahead and change this. Actually, it's right here. Your profit's $9,324, and I'm going to make some little changes here and change right here. All right, so your profit's $9,324. That's just 1 zero off the board. Now from here, take profit, invest in something else, or you can keep everything in there. Now, if you're staking this in the Shiba swap, you're also getting more bone and other things as well. But look at the last two here. It will take mountains to move in terms of this market cap estimation. But with the burning and other things like the Shibarian and other things, it could be possible. So that $1,000 investing gets you about that many. That's worth $100,000 with 2 zeros off the board. 2 zeros, okay? And the market cap estimation will have to be in the billions, 500 billion, over that. And then your Shiba profit is $100,000. Now, little Timmy loves big numbers, and I know you do too because you watched the whole entire video, right? By the way, my name is Adam Shelton, the captain speaking. Let's do this. Okay, and the last one, Shiba to 1 million. I know that's the big milestone. People are racing to try to get to that point. The market cap estimation will have to be in the trillions. So if you go back on CoinMarketCap, okay, and the highest one at this particular time is Bitcoin, obviously. That's at 367 billion. Now, it's got as high as up in the trillions at its peak this year in 2022. However, we're looking at this long term. This is more of a long-term thing. Now, if Shiba somehow gets into the trillions, which could be a possibility if everything works out okay in the future, not financial advice, you are looking at a $1 million off of $1,000 invested, and that's when Shiba is about 1 cent. The 1 cent dream, the 1 cent dream to the $1 million Shiba. Absolutely. Absolutely. Because, hey, why not? We all dream. We all also want good things in our lives. So why not? But one area I do think in the near future, I could see this happen. I could see them erasing the zero, getting to that 10,000 mark with a $1,000 invested. But these other two may take time. But if you're into Shiba long term, why not wait and see what happens? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, if you want to change this a little bit, you may want to continue investing in Shiba if it's something you want to do. If you are a person of a believer, you think it's going to hit 1 zero with 1 cent, 1 cent dream, or even here. This is actually a good amount as well. Right here is really good, or even here. This is possible because it got to this point at one particular time. It was getting right there, and then it went down to the downshift. But keep hope alive. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.